Capricorn, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titingnan natin ang energies na parating sa inyong kaperahan, money, career, finances ngayong March 2025. Ayan. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang ang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, Capricorn. No. Ano? Energies ng kaperahan sa March. Beauty. Ayan. So, some of you, maaring yung inyong line of work, yung line of business ninyo may kinalaman sa beauty, may kinalaman sa, let's say, skincare, or sa fashion, ganyan. Or yung iba sa inyo, you will also focus on your physical aspects, no? Physical appearance. Maaring meron kang i-improve sa sarili mo that will bring you or gain you confidence. Ayan. It's, some of you are going to shine. Parang may mafo-focus yung attention sa inyo ng iba. Oh, you have this energy, fire, the fire in you. Oh, okay. So I think when it comes to your career, your business, parang merong nabubuhay na inspiration sa inyo. Like, there's some sort of passion within you na ito yung gusto kong gawin, ito yung gusto kong mangyari, ito yung gusto kong ma-achieve. Uy, love. Oh. Speaking of passion, I think yung iba sa inyo, Capricorn, you will focus on doing what you love. Okay? You will make sure na yung pinagkakakitaan mo, trabaho mo, career path mo is something na malapit sa puso mo. Yung talagang mahal mo. Hindi lang dahil sa kumikita ka ng pera dyan or mas nakikilala ka dyan. So for you, number one is you have to love what you are doing. Kasi eventually, dun mo makikita kung gaano ka tatagal sa isang career, sa isang business. 'Di ba? It's not just about the money but also the passion, the drive, the energy that you give into, the fire in you. Wow. Okay. Let's see what else. What is the overall energy ng mga Caps sa kanilang kaperahan? The Emperor. Alam niyo, iba sa inyo gustong-gusto niyo mag-business or lalo na kung may negosyo na kayo ngayon. You are preparing. Yung iba nagpe-prepare kayo for a new business or you are strengthening your business kung meron ka na existing na business ngayon. Yung iba sa inyo meron kayong leadership qualities. Ito yung mga higher position like manager pataas, ganon. So maaring yung iba sa inyo ito ay nangyayari na or it's like you have a vision for yourself na you want to achieve a certain goal sa career mo na dinidisiplina mo yung sarili mo ngayon na ito kailangan gawin ko to para ma-hit ko yung target ko, ganun. So let's see your challenge. The Six of Wands. Alam nyo yung challenge minsan sa inyo, Capricorn, is yung mga tao sa paligid ninyo. Na minsan kasi nagiging very competitive kayo to the point na you tend to compare yourself sa iba, which is hindi siya nakakatulong sa inyo. So I think pwede nyo siyang gawin parang i-alchemize mo siya, ita-transmute mo siya sa inspiration. So instead na isipin mo, bakit siya ganito, bakit na-achieve niya na to, bakit ganun, ganyan. So, isipin mo kung paano niya nagawa yun. Like, make that as an inspiration. 'Di ba? Kasi, andun yung success for you. Andun yung achievement mo. You just need to enjoy other people's achievement, acknowledge yung achievement rin ng iba, and at the same time, have that energy within you. Kasi, kung nakukuha mo rin yung energy nila na they're happy with their success, eventually yun yung mamamanifest mo sa sarili mo eh. Let's see your opportunity. Oh, Nine of Cups. As an opportunity, this is fulfillment ng iyong mga wishes. This is completion. So, parang yung iba, meron kayong opportunity na matapos ang isang project ngayong March. Or parang meron kang ma-accomplish na goal mo eh. No? So, you will be able to achieve a certain goal na magpapasaya sa'yo. And then your blessing is the Two of Wands. So, this is about the type of action na gagawin mo. So, yung blessing mo ay naka-align sa action na gagawin mo. So, kung syempre wala kang gagawing action towards your goals, yung mga plano mo, edi walang blessing, 'di ba? So, kailangan nito, you are active ka sa mga actions na gagawin mo, and at the same time, may plano ka talaga. Hindi yung bahala na si Batman. Okay? So, overall, the energy for your finances is doing good as long as meron kang blueprint, meron kang plano, meron kang sinusunod. Oo, kasi malaking tulong yun sa'yo para may direction, may sense of direction yung goals mo. Oh, it's time to take action, sabi rito. It's time for action. It's time for action, Cap. Oh my God, you are building your power, your strength, discipline, no? Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, dinidisiplina nyo yung sarili nyo. Yan, dapat talaga meron kang disiplina. Kasi discipline is equals to power. 'Di ba? Ibig sabihin nun, may sarili kang, may control ka over yourself. 'Di ba? Oh my God, meron ditong unconditional love. So, some of you, parang, ang nakikita ko rito is about passion for your career, for your business, or ano man tong source of income nyo eh. The more na you bring in passion in whatever you do, career man yan, sa business man yan, or any source of income, you will see great results and you will be fulfilled. Magiging fulfilled ka sa resulta niyan. Kailangan mo lang talaga dito ng plano, kailangan mo lang ng determinasyon at disiplina. O, yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong creative ideas. Meron kayong may isip na bagong paraan para kumita ng pera. So, whatever this is na naglalaro sa isip mo ngayon na paraan para kumita ng pera, i-pursue mo na, gawin mo na. Talagang i-commit mo yung sarili mo. Oo, kasi kung lagi mo lang siya iniisip, tapos para ka lang, alam mo yung para ka lang nagdidip sa tubig na tinitest mo lang yung water na ganyan. Pero hindi ka naman talaga totoong lumulusong. So, how will you experience? No? Paano may experience yung feeling of being in control of your finances? Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong bubuhayin na career or business na nagawa ninyo in the past. Or meron kayong magagamit na dati yung technique na naging successful kayo doon. Gagamitin nyo ulit, i-apply nyo ulit sa project nyo, sa business nyo, sa career nyo. Wow, someone will help you. Meron ditong parang masasabi mo na siya ay blessing sa'yo kasi tutulungan ka niya. This can be someone na nababasa mo lang, no? Parang meron siyang libro, paano yumaman, ganyan. So, babasahin mo, so may inspire ka. Pwede namang ito'y personal mong kakilala na magbibigay sa'yo ng inspiration. Hindi na naman ako marunong magbasa na. The time is right to release old patterns and energies. You are ready to embrace change. Oh, 'di ba? Meron kang i-release na old patterns at meron kang bagong i-embrace na pagbabago. Oh my God. Oh, Capricorn, prosperity is flowing. Have faith that you will receive it in the perfect form. Oh. Oh my God. So, kailangan lang talaga ikaw ay may tiwala, may pananampalataya. Huwag kang mag-doubt sa sarili mo, huwag kang mag-doubt sa universe, huwag kang mag-doubt sa mga pangarap mo. Kasi, ayan o, prosperity is flowing to you now. Okay? So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. See you again.